Hi and welcome to the third episode of my Novec demo rig build. In this episode I will lay the foundation work for attaching the bottom and top tank plates with each other with 3 pylons in between. Now I'm thinking to put the cables down one of these pipes. In the front here is going to be 2 pipes lighting everything up, and in the back, like a triangle like this, you're going to have 1 pipe going down to hide the cables. So I need to start figuring out how to put in the triangle, so that is correct. Just start by slicing it down the center. But there is the center. Now I need to know 60 degrees to get a triangle. And I know that that is one of the corners. That was pretty good. That's actually a perfect triangle, or as near as perfect as it's gonna get for doing it like this. There should be perfect because all these sides are just as long as each other. So that's my criteria for a perfect triangle. So we take the tank, about there somewhere, and then I need to have a candidate pipe for this. Yeah, this could work. It's a bit on the big side, but let's hope it works. Let's try this. It's just normal PVC piping. It's a 30mm one, so it should be edge to edge. If I measure out 30 here, measure out 30 here, and I have almost exactly 3 here, because it's still a perfect triangle. So add 1.5. You can draw a line. The same here. 1.5. And at 1.5. That is the center of our pipe. So now I need to drill that up. First though, I need to do it on the other sides as well. Okay, so that's our measurement. Center hole, center hole, center hole for our piping. Now the reason that I really put these together as a sandwich is because when I'm drilling these holes here and there, I would like to have the identical hole on the other one so I can sandwich them together with the same pipe. So let's drill a pilot hole for this. There we go, pilot holes. We can separate these. Yep, that's good. So now we can drill the actual holes, and I'm gonna start with something smaller. I'm not gonna do this immediately. Actually I am. Not from the other side. Now I only want to have an indentation, if you will, just to have a little support for the pipe that's going to be here of the same dimension. So I'm just going to drill it very, very shortly down, like 1-2 millimeter maximum, and leave it at that. Let's test fit this. Looks okay. These holes are a bit into the glass here, but I don't see that as a problem. Of course it will be in the way of the pipe. It will leave the pipe as the original, but we'll see if we have to do that, because we can also take it back a little and then just the back side here, or rather that side, just cut that open a little or use a different pipe or whatever. So now we're just gonna drill the rest with a smaller pipe, a smaller drill. So instead of the 32 millimeter, I'm using the standard 22 again. And let's drill the whole way through. This will provide a natural stop for the bigger pipe. So now the only thing missing is the way in for the cables. This is the way up, like that, and then we need a cable to go down into the tank. So just going along these lines, about there, as close in as I can. Which is about there. There. So here we go. Cables up, cables down. Then I'm gonna remove a little on top here with a chisel, so I can just, without going over the surface here with the cables, just sneak them over into the hole here. There, about halfway down. Now I can loop the cables from this hole into that hole, because the tank is going to go between these holes. Okay, so now I need to measure the tank to know exactly how long this is, so I can do my 3 pipes on the sides. So this seems to be 28, so then my pipes can be 28.5. Too long. Let's say 28 and 28.3 on the 3 pipes. Start with that. Actually, come to think of it, the top lid, I'm gonna have a gasket on the whole lid here to prevent any leakage from here further. And that is going to be about 4 millimeters thick, 2 times 2. So I need to take that into account as well. So not only do I need to have 27.8, I need 2 plus 2, and then the margin for error. So it's 28.2 plus margin for error. Okay, so the pipes are roughly done. Just gonna sand the edges, get away the worst of the excess here. Like this could actually do the job. Just need to make sure that everything is the same height and everything, and then everything will be fine. That's detailed work for later. Okay, so now I need to test fit this with the tank, and as I said before, it's probably not going to fit. Actually, I'm quite sure it won't, but we'll see what we have to work with. Yeah, and then I can see already at the end that this doesn't hold up. So that's a problem. I have these, I need to fit here. So yeah, it's quite a big chunk there that doesn't, make it all the way. All I need to do is to get all these pipes out a little, and for that I can use the chisel. I'm gonna start hammering away. Thinking I only need to do the 2 front sides here, because I can leave the back side intact.